Today is an edit day. I'm gonna hopefully get the first cut of this Christmas film finished, and then I can do all the final touches tomorrow and get it finished completely. Someone messaged me yesterday and was like, why are you always in sweatpants? Who isn't wearing sweatpants at the moment? We're all just sat at home. We're not going anywhere. Why would you not dress comfortably? So yeah, just wanted to address that if I'm going to carry on doing these daily stories. Like, I will not be making extra effort to look presentable for these. Productive day today. But since my run this morning, I've pretty much been sat at my desk all day. So I've come out for a little walk to catch the last hour of light of the day. I'm hoping for a good sunset. It's been sunny and cloudy periodically all day, so I don't know what we're going to end up with. Jess has got me watching One Tree Hill. It's fine, I guess.
No, tell the truth. Look, we just need to get to season 3, episode 16, and season 4, episode 9. Okay? Then we're done.
As you can tell, Jess is a big fan.